Welcome back to Personal Pension Radio, episode number 255. 255. This is my deal of the week. My deal of the week, actually, because we're starting a new year, I thought it'd be good to look back and share some of my favorite stories as it relates to saving money. My quest for lifestyle deflation. That's right, lifestyle deflation. Being able to live well without spending a ton of money. And I have to say, my wife and I live very comfortably. We enjoy what we have. We don't have what we don't need. We have everything we need. And we have things that we don't need. I personally have lots of things that I don't need. I just love finding a deal. So I wanted to actually share this with you. Please remember on the podcast here, Personal Pension Radio, yes, I am the income engineer. Yes, I am a certified financial planner. Yes, I am an investment advisor representative. All of those things. I am not a CPA. I'm not an attorney. I am a paralegal at an awesome law firm. All that to say this. Please don't act on things that you hear on this show as if you're getting advice for you and your specific situation. Meet with a qualified, hopefully certified financial planner to go over your situation first. I would love to be that certified financial planner, or put on my paralegal hat and assist and make the connections with my firm to help you with your estate planning, with your business LLCs and asset protection. Please meet with a qualified representative before taking action. All right, and that's the disclosure for today. Let's jump into some of my favorite deals of the week. And this time it actually revolves around my kitchen. Those of you who listen to the show for a long time now, you know that I am a woodworker. I'm a woodworker. I love to build stuff. Got some good injuries this weekend, nothing serious, but building stuff with my hands, I got that from my dad. I love it. I am building and reconstructing my own kitchen. So the project that's underway now is finishing up the countertops. So I am actually making my own countertops. Yes, I am saving a ton of money because the quotes were anywhere from $3,000 to $4,000 to $6,000 to have custom countertops done. And I'm a woodworker. I can do some pretty awesome countertops and they are looking good. But looking at my kitchen, realizing how much money I've saved in the process of building out the kitchen here in my little home here in Norco, California. Starting with this, looking at my appliances. My refrigerator retailed for $2,500. Retail $2,500. I found it locally, a pickup truck drive away for $520, and it is run flawlessly for years now. $520. I saved nearly $2,000, okay? And I want to put this in perspective. This is the way I look at saving money. I look at the savings on that $1,980. Look at that over the course of 20 years, 10 years, whatever it is, 25 years at a decent rate of return. That could be over $10,000. The money that I didn't spend on the refrigerator could turn into over $10,000 if you actually invested and put it towards something more long-term. All right, now, the dishwasher. Yes, the dishwasher in my kitchen, $1,900 retail. $1,900 for the dishwasher that's in my kitchen right now. That's the retail. I paid $650. I bought it used. Sure enough, Facebook Marketplace, $650. I saved $1,250. In the long run, that could be over $10,000 again in my pocket because I didn't spend full retail. The range. Oh, I love to cook on my stove. I have a nice stainless range in my kitchen. Granted, my countertops aren't done yet, but the range in my kitchen is $2,900 retail. $2,900 retail. And I did a little research. Craigslist, I think I found this. Craigslist, I found it locally again. I picked it up with my pickup truck. And if you don't have a pickup truck, you have friends that have a pickup truck. Remember what Warren Buffett said about having a yacht. He doesn't need a yacht. He has friends with boats, right? So you don't need a pickup truck. You just need friends with a pickup truck. So my range, really nice range, $2,900 retail, I got it for $850. $850, it's worked perfectly for years, saved me $2,000. Again, saved me $2,000. So backing up on the dishwasher, in the long run, that could actually be, I misspoke, over $6,000 in savings if I actually invest the savings, which is the idea. Save money and invest the savings. Because if you spend retail, you are basically setting your future savings on fire. It's not going to be there. If you put full retail inside the range, the dishwasher, the refrigerator, full retail in those items, you basically set all of this money on fire because you're just going to lose it in depreciation. So the range, $2,900, I got it for $850. I love it. The total savings on my appliances, right, the big three, my range, my fridge, my dishwasher, was $5,280. $5,280 that I saved on the three appliances in my kitchen alone. When you look at that in a retirement savings perspective, if you got the 8% rate of return or whatever it might be, I mean, that could be tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars over a long period of time. Huge amount in the long run by actually taking a few minutes to save a few dollars today. So that's what I wanted to share with you right now. I wanted to go through just a few examples of being thrifty actually does help your retirement income future. I hope that helps. Please like this video, subscribe to this video. Please like this video, share this video. Those of you who are listening to this episode on the podcast, I am doing these now on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn. So if you actually want to get eye to eye with the income engineer, feel free to get on over to YouTube. You can find me at Kraig with a K Strom, Kraig Strom on YouTube. You can find me as the income engineer and Kraig Strom on Facebook. You can search kraigstrom.com to jump right to my LinkedIn page. Please, again, get out there, enjoy life. Please find a passion for that deal. Hunt that deal down. You can do it on your phone nowadays. It's super easy. We'll talk to you again soon. Take care.